Hey people, right now I'm showing you the most popular and probably the most economic draft beer system that is provided by you in Mexico by the Corona company. I paid a total of 1200 peso, which is around 65 US dollars, and including in those 1200 pesos are 300 peso, around $16, as a deposit for this equipment. So they only sell me the liquid inside it. This is a 29 liter or 30 liter container, which comes with a bucket. As you can see, it's damaged, of course, but it's more than enough to support your keg, your container, some ice around it. It's got a nice Negra Modelo Special logo here. It comes with this keg. It's made by, I don't know, something. It said that it's made by Modelo company. It's the parent company of Corona. It has the trademark name around here, and I noticed that they also have this logo here that seems to be an European company. It says Frankie, F-R-A-N-K-E, Beverage Systems. As I was saying, this is Negra Modelo beer. It's a dark, really delicious beer, one of the most preferred, one of the most popular, the most delicious beers in Mexico. And it finally comes with this dispenser. It's a plastic one. It worked great. Really, I have no questions. I have no complaints about this system. I don't know the brand of this thing. It's Micromatic, I guess. So you just put this thing into this valve area, and you're done. And it's just as easy as pumping it 2 or 3 times every once in a while, or when you notice that the pressure is too low, that beer is not coming out of your dispenser. You just pump it 2 or 3 times slowly, and if you notice that your beer is having a lot of foam, it's getting very foamy, you just have to release a bit of the pressure using this little button here. You press it and you will listen a hiss. So that means that it's releasing some extra pressure, and problem solved. Your beer will come out less foamy. Personally, I like foamy beer, but a lot of people doesn't. So for me, it worked great. We drank the whole container in just one night, and it's really worth it, I think, because of the low price. And I can even keep this equipment because I only paid like $16 deposit guarantee for it. And I noticed that they sold this equipment for really high prices. This dispenser, this adapter, I don't know how you call it, is worth around $28, brand new, of course. The keg is at least $50 or $60, and this hose, I don't know, it's probably at least 15 bucks. So of course this is sold. This is kind of rusted. No, it's not rusted, but it's really damaged. But I think it's worth it. I mean, just paying the deposit and just keeping the equipment with you, so you can make your own beer later. Why don't you guys tell me what you think about it? Because I'm really considering on keeping it, and just say to the company that, oh well, it broke or somebody stole it from my event, and I'm sorry, I'll have to keep my $16 deposit. What do you think? Let me show you the height of this thing, because I forgot to show it to you, because it's important to notice how big it is. This is the size of it. It's a 30 liter container for delicious Negra Modelo beer. Bye.